Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we are going to start the next topic, A Night in June, which is a poem written by William Wordsworth. Before starting the poem, let's have a view on words to know. The first word is cuckoo, a type of bird, gushes, pours, floods, streams, piping, whistling, twittering, singing, sovereign, superior, like that of a ruler. Thrush, a type of a bird, yet still even now. Let's start our poem. The sun has long been set, the stars are out by 2 and 3s. A little birds are piping, yet among the bushes and the trees. There's a cuckoo and 1 or 2 thrushes, and a far off wind that rushes, and a sound of water that gushes, and the cuckoo's sovereign cry fill all the hollow of the sky. Verb. Verb is a word which shows an action. We will underline the following word in the following sentences. The first sentence is, once upon a time there was a man who lived in a village. Here lived and was our verb. In second sentence, one day in the forest he was chopping down a tree for his fire. Was chopping indicates a verb. In third sentence, he felt very hungry in the afternoon and wanted some food. Here wanted and felt indicates the verb, and so on. Solve these sentences. Thanks. This is the end of the topics.